Hiya, welcome back. It's Janie Johnson here and welcome back to DesignBeau, my YouTube channel, interior design and styling masterclasses. Hello and welcome back. And for those of you who have just arrived, I'm Janie Johnson. I'm an interior designer, have been for 20 years, and I have taken onto the YouTube platform to create DesignBeau, which is a one-stop shop for interior design and styling masterclasses. If you like what you see, I'd really appreciate a subscribe, really important. Any comments or feedback you do have, feel free to post them below. I'm here to answer your queries. I'm here to tell you of all things design and hopefully inspire you, so please post away. So we have officially hit autumn and I've decided to do a new series which is based around interior design styles. So we can all get a better understanding about different interior design styles, the fundamentals of these styles, where they originated from, what establishes a style, what elements are in each one, and more importantly, how DesignBeau can help you at home create these interior design styles in your own spaces. Scandinavian design. This interior design style originated in the 5 Nordic countries. Can we name them? We have up there Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland and Iceland. So this interior design movement is generally characterised by its nature and form and formality with a lovely balance of comfort thrown in. And it was established in mid-century and it really blossomed in the 1950s. And it's a real comfort, minimal, serene interior design style, which is calming, it's balanced, it's form and function, but it's also snuggly and natural and warm. Colour palette used in this interior design style is a very neutral colour palette. So we're seeing a lot of whites, light greys, we'll use beiges, creams, really to set this calm, simple and modern background for us to build on when we're creating our interior design schemes. And this neutral palette just brings serenity and calmness to this scheme, so you can create spaces where you can relax, you can kick back and just enjoy those moments of serenity. And when we talk about finishes and materials that are implemented into these schemes, you're going to be seeing a lot of natural elements being used, a lot of nature. So you'll see a lot of wood finishes. We've got stone, a mirror, you have glass. So it all combines to create a real wonderful and natural, calming interior design style, which is, I think, lovely. And to complement these finishes, we can't forget the wools. Lots of soft, cozy materials, lots of wool, natural again. Wools really soften the scheme, so we can see these in throws. So it brings a lovely coziness to the scheme, so they're not too stark, even though they do have a very neutral colour palette. And when we're specifying furniture or finding those pieces just to really set our schemes off, we're looking at low slung sofas. You have clean lines, timber tables, clean, functional, but then we also have curves within some nice pieces of chairs, so we can then get that relaxing and comfort that we want from the style. So it's a real combination of clean, smooth forms that we then style these pieces out with. And then to set these styles off and to set our living spaces off, we can include accessories, and these accessories, again, we can bring in those elements we discussed before, those natural materials So we have glass we can use in vases, we have natural materials we can use, stone effect finishes for candles and vases and pots, so we can place them round and really bring a dynamic and depth for your living room. You've got your low slung sofa, you've got your lovely warm woven throws and your plush cushions to soften up them areas, and then combine that with some modern slick glass vases, put in your palms and your reeds. You have your concrete effect little pots in there too, just to give a contrast and just, you know, to be able to use in things we have around the house. Again, as I always say, these don't have to cost a fortune. We can go and pick and choose around our other living room spaces and bring them in to really create an interior design scheme that we're just absolutely happy with and that we can relax in. So, DesignBeau's top tips for creating a Scandinavian interior design style in your own home. I'm going to give you 5 tips, and here's number 1. First up, find your space. Find the space in your home where you would love to create this Scandinavian style. It could be a whole room, it could be a small corner where you want to relax and be able to read and enjoy those style and elements, whatever pleases you and whatever space you have around. And declutter. Move everything out, give that space a good clean so we have a blank canvas to start with. So where we're going to start? Colours. Let's get your neutral palettes in there. Whitewash those walls. If you've got timber floors, great, because timber's a big signifier and a big part of Scandinavian design. So you've got white walls, you have a lovely timber floor. It's a great place to start. Next up, natural light. So when choosing your space, try and find somewhere where you do have natural light, somewhere with a window or a skylight, even if it's a vision panel in a door, somewhere where light's going to be able to come in, bounce off that neutral palette that you've got on the walls and really elevate your design style to give those really Scandinavian design style vibes. And then go and find those clean lines. Find your pieces of furniture you already have and bring them into that space. Find the sofa, the chair, the table, the cabinet, anything that you think has got those clean lines, bit of a timber finish, your sofas, your chairs. It could just be one piece. And if you want to keep it neutral and you think you have a chair or a sofa that will fit it with its clean lines, that's fine. If it's not white, get yourself a throw. We can create these spaces, we can create these designs and these key elements by utilising what we already have. It doesn't have to be expensive. We've just got to be savvy. And then you have to add the comfort. Get your comfort in. Get in the wool, the throws, the soft fabrics that will really create beautiful contrast against these clean lines. You've got to make that furniture work for you because that's a part of Scandinavian design. It's got a form and function, but we also need to bring in comfort. But that's great because that's easily done through cushions and throws and rugs. And I'll bring those accessories in, bring in your key items, your vases, your candles, you know, make that place work for you and you're creating something to be enjoyed. So don't forget, when you are doing interior design, think about the end user. You're the end user, you're going to be sat there using it. How does that space make you feel? You want more comfort? Get another throw. Put your feet up. Do what you need to do to be able to sit back and enjoy that space, because that is what interior design is for. And I'm sure if you follow DesignBeau's top tips, you'll be able to recreate your very own Scandinavian interior design dream. Bespoke, individual to you. So there it is. There is a very easy, basic Scandinavian interior design style tutorial for you guys to follow. I hope you found it useful and inspirational. I'd be very excited if you would let me know any feedback. Are you going to try this at home? If you do, please send me a picture. I would love to be involved. Let me know what you think. If you need a bit more inspiration, any questions, please pop it on the community board. I'd love to get all the discussions going. I love speaking all things design. And if you do like what you've seen today, please give me a like. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is very important to me. And if you do want any more inspiration, DesignBeau is all over the social media platforms. Get on Instagram and Facebook. You'll find daily updates on there, design inspiration, and then there's the website. So you have www.designbeo.co.uk with all the access to all the masterclasses done so far. And check out the playlists. We have Create with Bay on there, where you can create your very own pieces of artwork to go in your new interior design styles. I actually use one today. It's up there on the wall. So go and have a look. Have a look round and just be inspired, guys. And hopefully I'll see you again soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.